Welcome to our live show. Welcome guys. Wait a minute. I adjust my device. Welcome guys, welcome. Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil. Today our topic is high-yield palm oil or palm kernel oil equipment introduction. So if you need palm oil or palm kernel oil equipment, you can enter our live show. We have production line and a single machine. If you need we can arrange right sales manager for you, give you free quotation or configuration plan, selection guide according to need. Our company is established in 2011, and we have 14 years experience for manufacturing equipment of extracting edible oil, and equipment for soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, palm oil, palm kernel oil, peanut oil, and so on. Many kinds of edible oil. We can provide equipment for extracting edible oil for you. If you have some need or if you have some question, you can enter our live show, and I can show you process and equipment for you, and you can type your question or you need on comment area. Our assistant can arrange sales manager for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. Our company is in central China, in Henan province, and if you are interested for our equipment, we welcome you come and visit our company. Our sales manager can lead you to our company and our factory, introduce our equipment for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. If you have some need or if you have some question, you can type them on comment area. And in comment area, there has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number. If you want to get free quotation or configuration plan, you can send a private message or give us a call. My assistant can reply it for you quickly. Okay, today our topic is high-yield palm oil and palm kernel oil extraction equipment. Now, let's follow me to see the 3D video to learn about different scale palm oil production line. Welcome guys to our live show. Now, let's see the 1 ton per hour palm free installation palm oil production line. This production line don't need many time to installation. It casted for 3 containers. And the capacity is 1 ton per hour. In a high yield, high capacity palm oil production line, it is divided for several steps. First is sterilization, then is threshing, digesting, pressing, clarification, and vacuum drying. And this production line, this production line equipment is include the machine. And first customer include the hot water tank and the sterilizer. These 3 tank is sterilizer. The FFB fresh palm fruit bunches need to be heated. Need first to be heated, make it soften and easier to remove palm fruit. So first the FFB put in the fruit cage. This production line needs the worker to control it. The worker load the FFB into fruit cage, and 4 fruit cage can put in each sterilizer. This sterilizer is an arrow sheet sterilizer. Its sterilization time need 90 minutes to 120 minutes. And after sterilization, cry lifts fruit cage, then put it on the thresher. After sterilization, the FFB will become softened and easier to remove palm fruit. The palm fruit bunches fall down to the thresher. This thresher is a drum type palm fruit thresher. Welcome guys. If you have any question or if you have some need about the palm oil or palm kernel oil extraction equipment, we can provide production line or single motion for you. So if you have some need, you can type them on comment area, or if you want have a discussion with our sales manager, you can find our WhatsApp number in comment area. Give us a call or send a private message. It's okay. Our assistant can reply it for you and arrange right sales manager for you. Okay. This thresher is a drum type palm fruit thresher. It is too long, so the palm fruit can stay inside more time, and the palm fruit bunches were more cleaner. After threshing, the palm fruit falls down to the conveyor below, and then empty palm fruit bunches falls out from the tail of the thresher. Next step is the digesting. Palm fruit transport to the digester, destroy its structure, and then the palm fruit falls down to the palm oil presser. In our production line, we always recommend the double screw palm oil presser because its capacity is higher than single screw. This double screw palm oil presser capacity is more than 1 ton to 2 tons per hour, and there has 2 screws. It can move relative to each other, and then the palm oil will discharge, so its oil residual rate is lower. You can get more crude palm oil. After pressing, we will get crude palm oil, but inside has many impurities such as kernel, pure, fiber, mud, and so on. So the crude palm oil need to be clarification. We will use 3 machines to clarification to remove internal impurities. In this production line, the first clarification equipment is this. This is the clarification tank. The crude palm oil flow inside from the middle and lower part, and then the crude oil settling inside for a long time. After settling, the impurities settles to the lower part. So the lower part is dirty oil and the upper part is clean oil. And in this clarification, our engineer designed an overflow device in upper part, so the clean oil can always be pumped to the next equipment. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have some need or if you have some question, you can type them on comment area. Today our topic is high yield palm oil and palm kernel oil extraction equipment. I will introduce this equipment for you. And our company can provide palm oil and palm kernel oil production line or single machine for you. Our company is established in 2011. We have 14 years experience for manufacturing equipment for extracting edible oil. Palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, and so on. Many kinds of edible oil equipment we can provide for you. So if you have some need about equipment, about extracting edible oil equipment, you can type your need or your question on comment area. Okay, this equipment is a last step equipment is vacuum dryer. It can remove internal moisture of crude palm oil, decrease internal moisture content. After drying, the crude oil storage time can be longer. And after processing, the impurities on plate filter will be removed. the impurities cake will remove to the pan. Okay guys, this is the 1 ton per hour full installation palm oil production line. If you want to invest a small scale palm oil production line and don't want many time for installation, or quickly begin processing, we can arrange the 1 ton per hour for installation production line for you. This 3D video is introduce 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line, and in this production line the equipment is more complete. It always includes several steps: sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, purification, and vacuum drying. After this step, we will get clean crude palm oil, and it can storage longer time. This is a sterilizer. The inside has 4 fruit cage and FFB fresh palm fruit bunches put inside for sterilization. This sterilizer's door is automatic hydraulic door. Don't need worker to control, and it don't need more time for sterilization. If you choose this sterilizer, just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes for sterilization. It can increase your efficiency, process efficiency. Okay, this is a boiler room. This boiler is a biomass boiler. It can burn branch, empty bunches, or other fuel. Okay, after boiling, the steam lead to each step equipment to make the process the crude palm oil be liquid. After sterilization, the crane lifts the fruit cage and put it on the shelf. Then the palm fruit bunches fall down to the thresher. This thresher is a drum-type palm fruit thresher. It is too long, so the palm fruit bunches can stay inside longer time. It can remove palm fruit clearly. After threshing, the palm fruit falls down to the conveyor, transport to next step, and the empty palm fruit bunches falls out from the tail of the thresher. We use the bucket elevator to transport palm fruit. Then the palm fruit falls down to the digester. This digester is a the vertical digester. In this structure, the palm fruit can stay inside longer time, and there has a heat coil and steering knife. Destroy the structure of palm fruit. In digesting, the palm fruit will flow out some crude oil. Our engineer designs oil collection tank. This is oil collection tank in below pipe. Welcome, guys. Now I'm introducing the 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. Because if you have interested for our equipment for extracting edible oil, we can provide production line or single machine for you. If you have some question or some need, you can type them on comment area. You can write your project capacity or raw material. Our assistant can reply it for you. And in comment area, there has our WhatsApp number and WeChat number, mobile number. Okay, after pricing, we get crude palm oil. There has many impurities such as mud, peel, kernel, fiber, and so on. So we arrange 3 machines for clarification. In video, this machine is vibrating screen that has 2-layer sieve for filter, and impurities will be removed by twisting, and crude oil will leak to last layer and flow out to the clarification tank. This is clarification tank. In this tank, the crude palm oil will be settled. After settling, the impurities will settle to the bottom of the clarification tank. So the lower part is clean oil, is dirty oil, and the upper part is clean oil. And this is the overflow device. The clean oil will be always taken, will be always overflowed to the oil storage box. The last clarification equipment is this. This is a plate filter. There has some filter plate, and on the filter plate we arrange some filter clothes, and the impurities will leave on the filter clothes. The clean crude palm oil will flow out by squeezing. Next is the last step. We will use the vacuum drying. Well, this is a vacuum dryer. The crude palm oil pumped to the vacuum dryer, and in this tank the crude oil will be boiling. After boiled, the water vapor will go up to the oil water spreader, and some oil vapor will go up with water vapor together. The oil vapor in this oil water spreader will fall down for collection quickly. The water vapor still go up to the water jet pump for collect. Guys, if you have any question, you can type them on comment area. And if you are interested for our topic, for our comment, you can give us a follow. I will live show once time each week. And if you are interested in our equipment, you also can send a private message for us. Our assistant can reply it for you quickly. Around that sales manager for you, give you free quotation or section plan configuration guide is okay. We can provide for you. This device is used for treat exhaust gas. This is a water jet device, and after treat, the exhaust gas can be discharged for air. And this is 1 to 2 tons per hour production line. Introduction. If you have any question or if you have some need about our equipment, you can type them on comment area. We're doing holdings. Okay, next, let's see the 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. In this production line, the equipment are more complete and has higher degree of automatic. Its efficiency are higher, and the quality of crude palm oil will be better. Welcome guys to our live show. Today our topic is high yield palm oil and palm kernel oil extraction production line. Now we'll watch 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. I will introduce the palm oil process and equipment. If you need palm oil extracting machine, you can enter our live show. I can introduce for you. This tank is a sterilizer, but this sterilizer is used for more than 5 tons per hour. Inside not have fruit cage. It is directly steam to sterilization. Its sterilization time is short, just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes. After sterilization, the palm fruit bunches forced down to the inclined conveyor, then sent to the drum time thresher. In the thresher, the palm fruit bunches will be rolled and beaten. The palm fruit will fall down to the conveyor below, and the empty palm fruit bunches fall down from the tail. And then the palm fruit transport to the digester through bucket elevator. This is a vertical digester, and inside have the stir knife and heat coil. The palm fruit inside will be destroyed structure. And during digesting, the palm fruit will flow out some crude palm oil. This is the oil collection tank to collect the crude palm oil. After digesting, the palm fruit falls down to the what? This video is 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. Do you have any questions? In this, now I'm introducing this production line process and equipment. If you need equipment for extracting palm oil or palm kernel oil, you can follow us to learn about our equipment. This is the double screw palm oil presser. It can give you high yield because there has 2 screws. And after pressing, the palm oil will be discharged from the press cage. Okay. Thanks for your support. Our company is doing holdings. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. That's if you have some need, or if you're interested in our company or our equipment, we very welcome you visit and discuss with our sales manager. After pressing, the palm oil will be pumped to the clarification to remove internal impurities. This first clarification tank, and the second clarification machine is this vibrating screen. In this vibrating screen, the impurities can separate with crude palm oil and then transport back to the presser. Decrease oil residue rate. After clarification, the crude palm oil pumped to the plate filter for last filtering. So plate filter, the small impurities from crude palm oil will be removed, and then the clean crude palm oil will be pumped to the vacuum dryer for boiling to remove internal moisture, decrease the water content inside. After vacuum drying, the crude palm oil can be storage longer time, so it will be pumped to the oil storage tank. Next, if you want get the product area, you can equip a refining production line, remove internal phospholipid, free fatty acids, and other impurities. This equipment, this machine, we all can provide for you. Our company can provide the entire process equipment for extracting edible oil, press process, refining process, and fractionation, dewaxing, winterization process equipment all we have. So if you need, you can enter our live show or send a private message for us. Okay guys, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you can type them on comment area. Okay, next, let's see the picture to learn about our equipment, along introducing the feature of our equipment. Okay, for palm oil presser, we have two kinds of palm oil presser. The first type is single screw palm oil presser. It has two power system. You can choose it according to your need. It is diesel engine and motor system. The single screw palm oil presser is suitable for home use, small investor, and palm oil production business starter. The capacity is small, just 600 kg per hour to 400 kg per hour, and it's not suitable for production line. During operation, operating the presser need worker to control. Okay, this is the first time single screw palm oil presser. Its advantage is low investment. It is cheap than other kind presser, and it's a small footprint and it's easy to operate. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have some need or if you have some question about equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show and our company can give you this machine. Okay, the second type is double screw palm oil presser. They have two screws, so it can give you high oil yield. The two screws move relative to each other, and then the palm oil can be discharged from the press cage. Its capacity is more than 1 to 2 tons per hour, And this double screw pump oil presser suitable for production line. And it will give you high oil yield. It don't need a worker to control. It's also easy to operate. These two kinds of pump oil presser, we have machine in stock. So if you need, we can transport it, deliver it quickly. Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil, and our company has own warehouse and branch in Nigeria. So if you want to invest palm oil or palm kernel oil project in Nigeria or other country, we can transport our equipment quickly. Okay, next, let's see the different scale palm oil production line. The first is simple palm oil presser. It includes three equipment. First is a simple type thresher. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it can increase your product efficiency. After threshing, you can get palm fruit. The second equipment is a presser. The single screw palm oil presser or double screw palm oil presser, you can choose it according to your need. Single screw palm oil presser capacity is 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. It has two power systems. You can choose diesel engine and motor system. It's suitable for different power conditions. But the single screw palm oil presser need worker to control. The other one, the double screw palm oil presser capacity is bigger than single screw, is 1 to 2 tons per hour. Its oil residual rate is lower, and its efficiency is higher. It's suitable for production line. The bigger screw production line, we always use the double screw pump oil presser. So if you want to invest a big scale production line in the future, you can choose double screw pump oil presser directly. Okay, the last one is a plate filter. This is a simple palm oil production line, and in filtering, in purification step, if you want to get cleaner crude palm oil, we can add a vibrating screen before the plate filter. The simple palm oil production line will be more complete. Okay, this simple palm oil production line is suitable for home use and small investor. This production line we always export many countries and regions. So if you are interested in this production line, or if you want to learn about our private project, our sales manager can send the project document for you. We can provide this service for you. So guys, if you have any question or if you have some need, you can have our live show. Welcome guys to our live to our live show. We're doing holdings. We are professional extracting edible oil equipment factory. We have its own factory and engineer team. We can support customization, and if you are interested in our equipment, we also welcome you come and visit our company, visit our factory. We can arrange a right sales manager to lead you to visit our factory and company. Okay. The next, let's see the small scale palm oil price line. In this production line, the equipment is more complete than the simple palm oil production line. It includes the sterilization equipment, threshing equipment, digesting, pressing, clarification, and filtering, all step equipment. So the crude palm oil, the quantity of crude palm oil is higher, is better, and the capacity, the output capacity is also higher. And this small-scale palm oil production line always has low investment, high return advantage. It includes these several steps. The first is sterilization, second is threshing, digesting to destroy the structure of palm fruit, and then the palm fruit falls down to the presser. Use the presser to press internal palm oil, and the palm oil be pumped to the clarification process, remove internal impurities. The last filtering machine is a plate filter, remove small impurities. And after filtering, we equip a vacuum dryer to drying internal moisture. Make the crude palm oil can be storage longer time. Makes the crude palm oil storage stability. Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings. We can provide equipment for extracting edible oil. Now let's watch the different scale palm oil production line. Except this kind of production line, we also have the equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, peanut oil, and so on. Many kinds of edible oil equipment, extracting equipment, we all can provide for you. Production line or single machine, we all have. Our sales manager can equip equipment according to your need. Welcome guys, and if you have some need or some question, you can type them on comment area. Our assistant can reply it for you. Okay, let's go on. The third type is medium and large scale palm oil price line. Its capacity is the highest, and the this production line can be designed PLC automation control. Don't need worker to control each equipment. We can use computer to control, so it can decrease the labor cost and give you high quality of crude palm oil. The equipment is more. It includes the press, extraction palm oil process equipment, and also at the Kernel Recovery Station. Welcome guys, if you have some need or if you have some question, you can type them on comment area. Our company can provide the entire process equipment for extraction edible oil and many kinds of edible oil equipment. Or we have the pre-treatment, pricing, refining, fractionation, dewaxing, and winterization equipment, production, and single machine. All we can provide for you. If you're interested in our comment, you also can give us a follow. Our live show is once time each week. Okay, the medium and large scale palm oil production line includes this process. The first, the crude, the FFB fresh palm fruit bunches will be unload in the raw material reception station and then be transported to the sterilization station. There has sterilizer use high temperature steam to heat FFB, makes the FFB soften and easier to threshing. Next is the threshing. There has drum type style palm fruit thresher. Remove palm fruit, and then the palm fruit transport to the digester to destroy structure of the palm fruit. Palm fruit upper part is the presser, so the palm fruit falls down directly to the presser to press internal crude oil. And after pressing, the crude palm oil be discharged, but internal has many impurities such as fiber, peel, kernel, mud, and so on. So with that oil clarification station, there has 3 equipment for clarification for remove internal impurities. After clarification, we can get cleaner crude palm oil. And in the medium and large scale palm oil production line, we add a Kernel Recovery Station. We will get the pure crude kernel. And if you also want get palm kernel oil, you also can set a palm kernel oil production line. Okay. Today's topic is high yield palm oil and palm kernel oil extraction line, production line. So next, let's see the welcome to our live show. Welcome. If you have any question or if you have some need, you can type the uncommon area. Thanks for your support. Our company can provide equipment for extraction edible oil. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil equipment and other kinds of edible oil equipment such as soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, peanut oil, and so on. We can provide equipment for you. So if you have some need, you can type you need your raw material or capacity on comment area. Our assistant can reply for you quickly. Hello, thanks for coming. Okay, next let's see the palm kernel oil production line. This is the palm oil presser. Its capacity is 500 kg per hour, and it is suitable for home use, small investors, or a production line. We always use this presser for press palm kernel oil. And the internal screw has very resistant advantage, and it has high degree automatic and is easy to operate. We can equip it according to need. Except the presser in palm kernel oil production line, many investors always need the palm kernel cracking and spreading machine. It can spread the shell and the kernel. It is sharing weight more than 95% and the separation rate also more than 95%. It has low broken rate of palm kernel. It is all automatic process. Okay, this is a separating system. Its capacity has two types, 2 to 3 tons per hour or 4 to 6 tons per hour. We can equip it for you. Okay, next let's see the production line. In palm kernel production line, it includes the kernel and shell spreading system, cracking, cooking, and the specific palm kernel oil pressing. The last machine is a plate filter. This is a palm kernel oil process. Okay, let's see a video to learn about palm kernel oil process. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see this 3D video. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any question or if you have some need, you can enter our live show. Now, in this video, I'm showing the palm kernel oil production line. Okay, this is workshop. In the workshop, we have the okay, yeah. There has a fiber kernel spreader and shell kernel spreader system, cracker, cooker, specific palm kernel presser and a plate filter. First step is spread. It is spread kernel and fiber. Welcome guys to our blog show. Okay, this is a mixture of fiber. Mixture of fiber and the kernel. This sweater can spread the palm kernel nuts and the palm fruit fiber. Then the clean palm kernel nuts put into the hopper. And the palm fruit, palm kernel transport to the nut grinding machine through the bucket elevator, and there has a magnetic splatter. It can observe metal impurities. This is a nut grinding machine that has different stuff. Welcome guys to our live show. If you have some need, you can type them in the area and I can reply it for you. After cracking, the mixture of shell and kernel will be transported to the separating room. We always use the fan to spread the shell and kernel. The kernel will fall down from the separating column directly, and the nuts shell go up to the cyclone, be collect. After spreading, the palm kernel be transported to the cracker. This is a crusher. It can destroy the structure, makes the kernel become 6 to 8 parts. Make it to be smaller, and then will be easier to adjust temperature and moisture content. This is a cooker. In this cooker, we will use high temperature or use water. We also can add some water to adjust kernel internal moisture. Make it suit for price. Make the oil yield is higher, and then the palm kernel sent to the specific palm kernel presser. by pressing, the palm kernel oil will be discharged. Because the palm kernel and palm nuts is clean after palm oil process, the palm kernel is clean. So just use this plate filter for one-step filtering. The crude palm kernel oil can be storage. Okay guys, do you have any questions? This video is a palm kernel oil production line. This is small scale palm kernel oil production line. Its capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour or 4 to 6 tons per hour. If you need, our sales manager can equip production line for you according to your need. Do you have any questions? Our live show will be end. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area or send a private message. Our assistant can reply it for you. Arrange right sales manager for you. Give you free quotation or free configuration plan, selection guide. This device is okay. And you also can visit our company or our factory. You can give that as a follow. Our live show one time a week. If you're interested in our equipment, you can enter our live show next time. Okay? If you no question, today's live show will be end. See you next time. Bye bye.